This is the Tahoe Model floor plan and it is loaded with upgrades. Located in the beautiful but small community of Mesa Raven Estates with only 33 homes for that calm and friendly lifestyle you are looking for. The master, 2 spare rooms and the hall bath are on the first floor as a split bedroom floor plan. This home is packed with all of the bells and whistles and energy-efficient upgrades that anyone could want. A few of the upgrades consist of granite countertops, new appliances, custom handcrafted cabinets with crown molding trim, an oversized pantry, huge Carolina room, hunter ductless shades throughout the entire home, vaulted cathedral ceilings in every room, modern ceiling fans and light fixtures, tons of recessed lighting, dual-sided gas fireplace that heats up the entire house in 20 minutes, hardwood and tile floors, irrigation system, custom brick accent on the front of the home, gutters, an extra concrete pad port for the back patio, a 220 plug installed off the back of the house to install a hot tube, an extra wide side load garage and sitting on a half-acre. A few of the energy-efficient upgrades are tankless gas hot water heater, solar-powered attic fan, upgraded tinted windows, and a dual-sided gas fireplace. The average electric bill for this big home is very inexpensive and the owners live in it full-time. You can relax as you sit on the covered rear porch with access from the sliding glass doors in either the dining area or the master bedroom. The master bath was built with luxury in mind with an oversized walk-in shower and a jacuzzi tub. Another bonus is that during this past flooding this home and the entire neighborhood stayed high and dry. Please call today if you have any questions or to schedule a showing.